Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, generator welder day. Okay, so we're gonna get this puppy taken apart little by little here. There's some pretty darn good stuff inside, so let's get cracking into it. I already pulled, there's 3 plugs on here to release these doors. There we go. First door off. I'm gonna put this crap right on the truck. Boom, first door. I got this one on the other side here, done like that too. Look at this nice puddle I'm working in. Fun, huh? I don't know, I'm just hoping that wasp didn't just come out of here. This door is bent. I need your help for a minute. They got a kink in this door right here. So it more or less has to come about this far. Keep this pushed in.
Okay.
All right, because you see how this is all the way out here? I have to push this one in. Is yours still in or no? I don't know where that wasp came from. So, the fuel tank is already drained. I did that before. I guess main thing I'm after is that puppy. Get the size of that thing. You gotta be almost 3 feet long. Almost. I want to get this done before the mice get in it and the bees. So that's that. Okay. Back on. Socket set battery. So this will be an interesting guy. He's off of here. This is singly the best attachment I've ever fucking found. Like nothing. Like nothing. Alright. Set this aside.
Steel screws in?
No. Really? All right, I'm gonna need that wrench out of there. These old Pete's, that front one is stuck.
Wrench out of where? Aren't your big wrench set out?
See, this one's just as tight. No, there's just a front bugger. Oh, come on. Oh, it's just holding that. That's okay. Alright, there you go. Okay, that's loose other than this front corner bugger. Try and hit it again with the gun. Maybe it was just pinched in there. Nope. Nope. It's on there. It is on there pretty dang good. Up front. You can just put them on the tailgate for right now. Jeez, oh Pete's. That one might be a little warm. All right. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. That's that bit. Look and see if that exhaust pipe's got bolts on it. Yeah, can we take the exhaust pipe off?
Yeah, we should be able to.
All right, let me see.
There's a clamp right here. It looks like that clamp is holding it on there. Hold on.
All right, we can try it. Is that, I think that's the only way that's gonna come off of there. Hopefully. Oh, geez. I didn't want that to come back down. Rubber boots a pain in the butt. Really? Here. Motor parts need to get set aside somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
Any nuts? It's a nice heavy steel. All right. So I was messing around with this before, trying to see if it I couldn't by chance get it running, and I don't have the time for all that business. All these fuel lines up here are all completely shot. All right. All right. I don't know if this is the no. Go ahead, bring that socket set back over here. Okay. And potentially a pair of channel locks, potentially. And look at all this goodness right here. Look at that. And these nice big cables. We're gonna get some copper out of here. Interesting. Whoa! Board's getting slickery. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. That's awesome. All right. Take this few. I'm gonna put them over here, I think. Yeah. As long as these puppies will be nice and just sit right here, we'll be in good shape. Oh boy. Channel locks. Hope I can get these in here. All right, done with the gloves.